Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another amazing recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some Jamaican jerk pork. Yes, homemade. Guys, may I tell you, this right here I got turn up. It's gonna be so delicious and so flavorful. So guys, in my bowl right here I've got at least 4 to 5 pounds of pork that I already washed and cleaned in some lemon juice, and I just remove some of the air that's on it. Okay, and these are my jerk marinade. And guys, I have a video on my channel on how I make my jerk marinade. So this is basically scotch bonnet pepper, fresh thyme, scallion, pimento seed, ginger. Yes, I'm gonna link the video below on how I make it. Okay, yes. So this is at least half cup. And I also have some jerk marinade from the bottle, and this is at least 2 tablespoons. And the reason why I'm using from the bottle is because this one is more spicy. My homemade one, I did add a lot of spice to it, so that's the reason why I'm adding the one in the bottle also, because this one is proper spicy. The one in the bottle, them really hot. I also have some seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my jerk powder seasoning, 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to share this video. Share this video to someone, guys, that you know will also enjoy it, and also give this video a thumbs up because it helped my channel to grow more, guys. I really appreciate it, and I thank you all so much in advance. Stay tuned. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some, just a bit of olive oil. And I also have some Jamaican red stripe beer around the back here, so. But just continue to watch the video and I will show you what me I gonna do with it. Okay? Yes. Then I'm gonna blend all my seasoning. Make sure that everything is all combined. And I'm just gonna add it just like so. I'm gonna also add around ½ teaspoon of my salt. And now I'm gonna add the good thing, jerk marinade. Then I'm gonna take my hand and just massage it all in. Guys, you can smell it already. Make sure that you massage it all in so everything will all mix in. Make sure you put this seasoning right here. Rub it in, guys, just rub it in. Why I love jerk pork, I love jerk pork with some festival or some hard-dough bread dumpling. But I want to serve mine because at dinner, I cook dinner, so I'm gonna serve mine with some rice and peas. And guys, what you can do, you can leave it to marinate for at least 2 hours, okay? Or even overnight for a better result. But if you don't have the time, guys, as long as you season your meat properly, it will still be delicious. But when you marinate it, it will, the meat, the season will soak right in. Yeah, but either way, it's still gonna be delicious. My favorite part on the pork is this, the fat. This looks so good, guys. So guys, it is nice and seasoning. See the bone? I get mine with some bone on it also. And guys, if your pork look too white, what you can do, you can add some brown into it, just to give it some color. That's if it look too white. This is perfect, but you know, I'm just giving you guys a tip. If it's too white, just add some browning, okay? But try not to add too much browning. And if you don't have no browning, you just use, you know, dark soya, okay? Guys, this is my baking tray. So now I'm gonna add some scallion and some fresh thyme. At the bottom. And this is just gonna, you know, enhance more flavor. That's why. Yeah, just like so. I'm also adding a few pimento seed. So now guys, I'm gonna add my Jamaican red stripe beer. Because instead of water guys, I'm adding the red stripe beer. And trust me, it's gonna add so much flavor. You're just gonna pour it, you know, at the bottom. I'm not gonna use all of it. And it also gonna keep the pork nice and moist. And I'm gonna add just a small amount of my wet jerk marinade. Now I'm gonna add my pork. And guys, I'm just gonna allow it to cook in my oven until it became nice and tender. I am not sure how long it's gonna be, but I will let you guys know. Just gonna add the pork like this. All this, just gonna pour it on the pork. Guys, honestly, I wish you could be in my kitchen. It smells good. It smells real good, guys. So delicious. I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe because I know you're not gonna love it. So now I'm gonna cover it up with my foil paper, just to allow it to, you know, cook down nice and tender. Yeah. So guys, I just removed it from the oven, and it's been in the oven guys for at least 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, it looks so good. Yo, look on that. It looks real good. Guys, I wish you could be in my kitchen. I'm telling you, this right here looks so good. Super delicious. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just take my fork and just pork in it to see, you know, how tender it is. You want it to be fall off of the bone. So as you can see guys, it is, you know, it is nice and tender. See that? It fall apart. That's exactly what you want. So guys, what you can do at this moment, remove some of the excess liquid, okay? Yes, just remove as much as possible. So guys, it is finally finished, and I'm telling you, it came out perfect. Guys, trust me, it look as if I done it on a grill. I'm loving the color. It is nice, soft, and so juicy. See that? The fat go right through. So guys, this is the fun part. Now I'm just gonna cut my pork up. I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please guys, go and share this video to someone that you know will enjoy it. This recipe is a must try. Your family, your friends, everybody are gonna like it. I thank you all so much in advance. Look at that pork, so nice and so juicy. So I just decorated with some scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion, and some thyme. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye guys. Love you all. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really, really appreciate it.